Hey friends, welcome in my another video. And in this video, I'm going to tell you something about English. Obviously, we always talk about English. But in this video, I'm going to tell you the five very important tips which is going to boost your English definitely. So, what are those tips? Because the tips and tricks also important. Sometimes each one of us learning English, but we don't think that how to learn and what kind of methods and tricks we should use in learning English. So in this video I'm going to tell you those five tips. Obviously there are a lot of tips, but in this video I'm going to tell you, and obviously in my other videos I will be telling you each and everything that what kind of things we should do or not to learn English. The first tips is this: the question answer method. Yes guys, this is the name that I personally give for this particular method, the question answer method. In this method what you have to do, you have to just read a chapter, okay, and after reading this chapter try to find out just 4 or 5 questions, and after getting those questions, and it might have given 4 or 5 questions at the end of the chapter. If you are going through any NCERT books of any subject, so you will have the chance that there will be 4 or 5 questions, and try to give the answer of those questions after read thoroughly the chapter, and just try to speak on those particular answer one by one. And now notice that how many words, how many sentence, and how long you have been spoken on those particular questions and on that particular question. By doing this, I am sure that you will have some ideas that how to create the answer and how to give the answer. So this is the first tips, okay. And second tips, as we all know that today is the time of, you know, media and YouTube and Facebook, WhatsApp. There are a lot of things by which we can learn, but what we are doing right now, that we just try to use negatively. We are just trying to do trying to use these kinds of devices in a very different kind of way. But to be honest, if you use especially YouTube, if you use it in a very positive way means in learning English, definitely you will get a lot of result by watching the videos. And in this method you have to just spend some money, because in the second tips I am going to tell you about some apps. Those apps are, first apps Cambly and Lingoda and Elsa, and fourth one is Speak English. These are four which is going to be very helpful for you to learn English. The first is Cambly. In this Cambly app, they gives you one-to-one lesson. If you want to interact, because this is also the biggest issue, that whenever we think that we should try to speak and we have no one to speak, then what to do? So I think this is the app that you can easily choose your time whenever you have time, no matter if you are in job or if you are doing anything else, then definitely you can 24 into 7 you can choose your time by yourself, that yeah, I have the time at night or day, and they will be available at any time. And this is also the thing that with the help of this app you will have the chance to that you how many days you want to talk to with them, 2 days in a week, 3 days in a week, one day in a week, or in a month. It's up to you. It means that completely depend on you. So this is also the solution of that particular question which you think that we have no one to speak. And the another one, obviously Lingoda and Elsa I didn't use, but the Speak English. Speak English also a very good app. And the one good thing about this app is it is completely free, and you will have the chance to get the friends globally. Because what you have to do with the help of this app, you have to just install this app, and after installing just try to call and try to find a good speaker with whom you have to speak. Suppose you called someone, and obviously someone will pick up your call, and if he or she is able to speak with you, and if you are getting something good result with whom you are speaking, then definitely keep on your discussion. But if you are not able to speak that he is a beginner and I am an advanced learner and I want to get some, just hang up the call and try to call it again with some other person. Then another in your second call the other person will pick up the call. So just keep on doing this, and they give you 1 hour regularly, and I am sure that if you use this 1 hour by talking to someone, then definitely you will get a very big result in your English speaking course. So these are the two tips. And the third one is YouTube videos, as I have already suggested you. That is the same thing. And I am going to tell you in this video also that watching videos, after watching the videos, don't think like just I have just watched the videos and doing nothing. Guys, after watching the videos, try to do the same thing. Whatever I have already told you in my first tips, that after reading the chapter, you have to try to give the answer of those questions. So in these videos also, after watching the videos, try to speak on that particular topic, whatever you have heard recently. So, and count your time, that how long you are able to speak on that particular topic. So this is the third tip. And the fourth one is also, this is very good, that is learn from your mistakes. Yes guys, mistakes are like a guide, like a trainer, like a motivator for you. If you have done any mistakes, just try to improve that particular mistakes, because these are the things that is going to boost your confidence. But don't try to give up, because sometimes what happens that, yeah, I have been learning for a long time, and now also I am not able to speak properly. What to do? Guys, I am sure, just try to change your way. Don't use those old methods, just try to change your way, then definitely you will have the chance to get some confidence and you will be able to speak properly. Suppose is I have already spoken in my last videos that those old methods, writing 10 words regularly and learning in that way, I have already given the solution to you, that how to learn the vocabulary. So this is also the things. And the last and not the least, the group discussion. By doing the group discussion, the fifth one is group discussion. In group discussion, there are suppose 4 or 5 students in a group. Okay, it's enough. You will have the chance to think, how to give the answer of any question, and how other person is giving the answer of any question. And suppose if someone is speaking in a very positive manner, then try to speak and try to cross the questions, because this is the group discussion. Criticize someone and someone is speaking on any topic, just give some negative points, and other person is giving you negative points, just try to speak on positive points. This is the way to speak in a group discussion, and you will have the chance to that how to generate the answer, and it automatically will boost, it automatically will be gained by you by doing the group discussion regularly. So this is the fifth tips. And I think by doing this, whatever I have suggested you in these 5 tips, I am sure guys that you will get definitely whatever you have dreamed for in learning English. So these are the 5 tips I wanted to share with you, and I am sure that you like it. If you like it, then please share with your friends and subscribe also this channel. Thank you guys. In this video, this is enough for today, and bye.